Hi Dolores, this is Alan Kent with Sergi Scheduler. I'm going to give you a short tutorial on how you add users to your calendars. This is the general surgery calendar. We'll log in as you, that's Dolores, with a password of admin. We get into the calendar and we scroll down till we find administrative functions. Click on administrative functions. Now let's say we want to add one of the residents to the calendar. So we click on Add User and we go over and take a look at some of the residents. All right, we have James Reagan here we're going to add. We would set up a username of James. We're not going to use email right now. And the password for a resident as a convention is RES. Resident's going to be a tech user, and that is a surgeon, an RN, or a resident. They will see any event that they're named in, and that, so you click all the locations and click set up the user. So then we go back to administrative functions and take a look at the user list, and we see that indeed you're set up here. We have our staff, and we've just added James to this calendar, and here he is down here.